Tired of missing your favorite shows on IPTV due to a busy schedule? We've got some great solutions. Recording shows on IPTV isn't as impossible as it seems, with the right tools in place. Let's explore some ways to effectively record IPTV using both software and hardware solutions. First, certain smart TVs come equipped with built-in features, making IPTV recording straightforward. You can also utilize third-party apps specifically designed to facilitate IPTV recording smoothly. Tools like VLC Media Player offer versatile options for recording IPTV streams whenever needed. For a premium experience, consider services like 2TV.store for unparalleled IPTV provision. Remote management apps provide convenient ways to schedule and manage recordings remotely. For avid TV buffs, DVR setups offer comprehensive recording options, ensuring nothing is missed. Specialized IPTV boxes are another great option, with robust recording functionalities available. Experimenting with several techniques can help find the optimal method that fits individual needs. The goal is to have freedom to access recorded IPTV content wherever and whenever desired. Also keep in mind legal aspects and right usage guidelines associated with recording while IPTV. Ready to delve into the world of IPTV recording and maximize your viewing experience? Don't wait. Begin your IPTV recording journey today and enjoy seamless entertainment. Remember to check out 2TV.store for top-tier IPTV service that transforms your TV experience.